future millionaires, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about how to grow on Instagram and Instagram daily updates. And today we're talking about, can you make money on Instagram just with 1k followers? And if you want to know the answer, stick till the end. And before continuing, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe and help your boy to reach that 1k subscribers on YouTube so that I can get monetized. So now let's get the video started. So today we're talking about, can you make money on Instagram just with 1k followers? And if the answer is yes, so how can you make money on Instagram just with 1k followers? So my answer to can you make money on Instagram just with 1k follower is that it depends on your followers, how they interact with your posts. So let's say that you have 1k followers on Instagram, but you're only getting about 50 to 60 likes per post. That is a bad sign. That means that your engagement rate is really low and you need to do something about it. And at that time, please don't start selling something because you have just got that 1k followers, because at that time if you think that you're gonna start selling and you're gonna get some sales, you're wrong. It will affect your page. It's gonna kill your engagement rate. It's going to affect your page in a really bad manner. People are going to unfollow you and you're gonna get demotivated. So first of all, if that is the case with you, your engagement rate is really low, first of all, what you do, you check out other videos on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, because I have really good ideas for the future also, and I have some videos that can help you to boost your engagement rate. So first of all, do the research, find the solution for this problem, and after that you will start seeing results. If you will start seeing results, then you can think for selling, and at that time you may get some results, because when your engagement rate will start growing. So that is my recommendations. Do the research, find the solution, then think about selling. And now let's talk about the flip side. So now let's say that you have 1k followers, but now you're getting about 200 and 300 likes per post with the saves, with the shares, and with the comments. So that means that your engagement rate is really nice, and that means that the algorithm will pick up your post more often, and they will give you more exposure, which will result in more likes, more saves, and more followers. And if that is the case with you, at that time I think that you can get about 2-3 sales even if you have 1k followers. But keep in mind that you can only get about few sales. You're not gonna make millions of dollars with it. So stick with the key that provide value. But with providing value, now you're selling something, but the product should be nice and it should be beneficial for your followers. So if that is the case, then you can get about 2 or 3 likes. So but keep growing, and when you will grow, you can sell more. So that were my recommendations. Then can you make money on Instagram with 1k followers? And I hope that I tried my best to put that answer in your heads. And now let's talk about, how can you make money if your engagement rate is high? How can you make money on Instagram if you have 1k followers with high engagement rate? So there are going to be 4 different ways that you can make money on Instagram if you have high engagement rate. So the first being is that you can sell your merch. You can sell your own custom t-shirts to your followers. You just need to create a design, and that website or the company will ship it directly to the customer. So the websites that you can use is Teespring, Bonfire.com, or you can use Redbubble, Amazon Merch. These are the greatest websites on this planet that you can use, and they will send the t-shirt. They will print it by themselves, and they will send them to your followers without you even needing to hold that product or the t-shirts. So you can do that. And the second way is by doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sell other people's service or product for a commission. So let's say that you have a dog page and you find a really great training that helps the owner to train his dog. So let's say that you put up a story or a post and you say that this is the training that I found that can help your dog, that can help you to train your dog, and you then put that affiliate link in the bio and whenever the interested buyer will go and click on it and buy it, you will get a commission from it. And in this, you don't need to like create the product or any service, you just need to market it, and of course that's going to be for free. And the third being is by doing drop shipping. Drop shipping is when you create a store for a related niche, or let's say dog, and you say that you have a dog page and you create a website related to dogs, and then you run ads for a product, and then the interested buyers will see your ad, they will click the link in the bio that will take them to your store, and they will buy it from your store, and you will have all the details, the shipping details, the name, address, everything. And then you're gonna go to the Chinese supplier, maybe Alibaba or AliExpress, then you're gonna put that order, and they will directly ship it to your buyer, to your customer, without you having to hold that product. So this requires a bit of money, and first is that you need to pay for the Shopify plan, and but that's for 14 days for free trial. And second is that you need to pay for the domain. Without domain, you're not gonna be able to sell. And the last is actually my favorite, and it's quite passive, and is by sending your followers to your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, just create one, it's not a big deal. Just create one and send your followers from Instagram to YouTube to make a second stream of income, which is going to be passive. It's going to take a bit more time, and you need to do more upfront work, but it's going to be like worth it. First of all, this will help you to like create a second stream of income, and you don't need to do anything. You just create a video and that is it. And you can like make a full living just with the YouTube AdSense. And over there too, you can, when you will have more followers, you can sell them through merch and drop shipping and some different ways too. So like, now that was all for today's video. I hope you guys got value, and what I'm repeating it again, if your engagement rate is low, please do research, please check out how to like find the solution, then start selling. Don't do it if your engagement rate is low, it's going to kill your page. And for those who have like watched the video till the end, I'm thanking you guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I appreciate a lot. It motivates me to provide more value. And one last thing that I want to say is that please subscribe and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safe. Peace.